Can I be honest with you for a second? Most women with a pixie cut are walking out of the salon absolutely in love with their hair, and then 2 weeks later, they're standing in their bathroom mirror wondering what went wrong. The volume is gone, it looks flat, it doesn't feel feminine anymore. And nobody, not your stylist, not YouTube, not Pinterest, nobody told you the real reason why or how to fix it. Well, today that changes, because I'm about to give you 5 hairstyle hacks that are going to completely transform how your pixie cut looks, how long it stays styled, and honestly, how confident you feel every single time you walk out the door. And stick with me until the very end, because I've got a bonus hack that most women with pixie cuts have never heard, and it's the one that ties everything together. Let's get into it. Now, today's video is for every woman who has a pixie cut. Whether you just got the chop, you've been rocking yours for years, or you're somewhere in the middle trying to grow it out and feeling stuck. These 5 hacks are going to work for all of you. So let's not waste another second. Hack number 1, the upside down volume trick. Hack number 1, and this one alone is going to change your mornings forever. It's the upside down blow dry technique. And before you say, I already blow dry my hair, hear me out, because most women are doing it completely wrong. Here's what's happening. When you stand upright and blow dry your pixie from above, gravity is literally fighting you the entire time. Your hair is being pushed flat against your scalp instead of away from it. So no matter how much mousse or volumizing spray you use, your roots stay flat, your crown stays flat, and by noon, completely flat. The fix is so simple it's almost frustrating. Before you even touch a product, flip your head upside down, let your hair hang forward. Then apply your volumizing mousse, a good lightweight one, right at the roots while your head is still down. Work it in with your fingertips from root to tip. Then grab your blow dryer and, still upside down, dry your roots first, moving the nozzle in quick back and forth sweeping motions. What this does is lift the root of every single strand away from your scalp and sets it there permanently as it dries. When you flip back upright, you'll immediately see the difference. Your crown will have height. Your sides will have body. Your whole head will look fuller, softer, and more intentional. Finish by using a small round brush at the crown area to create that final lift, pointing the dryer's nozzle upward along the root line as you go. This one hack alone, the upside down blow dry, is responsible for the difference between a pixie that looks like a bad hair day and one that looks like you just walked out of a salon. Do this every single time. Hack number 2, the product layering secret your stylist never told you. Hack number 2 is about products, and specifically, the order you apply them. Because this is where I see so many women go wrong, and it's costing them their style. Most people grab one product, slap it in, and hope for the best. Either it's too heavy and weighs everything down, or it's too light and holds nothing. The secret that celebrity stylists use, the ones styling Julia Garner, Florence Pugh, and Keke Palmer's pixie cuts, is product layering in the right sequence. Here is the exact order. Step 1. Start on damp hair. Not dripping wet, not fully dry, damp, and work in a lightweight volumizing mousse from roots to ends. This is your foundation. It adds body before heat is applied. Think of it like a primer before makeup. Step 2. After your blow dry, when your hair is fully dry, apply a pea-sized amount of texturizing paste or a light pomade, warmed between your palms first, and work it through just the ends and the top layers. Keep it away from your roots. This step adds definition, separation, and that intentional done look without any stiffness. Step 3. Finish with a dry texture spray held about 8 to 10 inches from your head. A few spritzes through the crown area gives grip and that lived-in, effortless finish. Then, a light mist of flexible hold hairspray to lock everything in place. That's it. 3 products, in order, in the right places. Mousse at the root on damp hair. Texturizing paste on the ends when dry. Texture spray and a light hairspray to finish. When you do this correctly, your pixie holds its shape all day long, from your morning coffee to your dinner plans, without looking stiff, crunchy, or overdone. Hack number 3. The 3-look accessory transformation. Hack number 3 is the one that's going to make short hair women on your timeline do a double take. Because we are talking about how to get 3 completely different looks from the exact same pixie cut using accessories. And this is something that competitor videos barely scratch the surface on, so pay close attention. The biggest complaint I hear from women with pixie cuts is that they feel like they have no variety, that every day looks the same. But that's not a hair problem, that's an accessory strategy problem. Look 1. Casual chic every day. Take a slim embellished headband and place it just behind your hairline, letting your crown sit naturally above it. This instantly frames your face, draws attention upward, and gives the illusion of more volume at the top. Keep your product light for this look, just your mousse and texture spray, and let the headband do the heavy lifting. Look 2. Date night glam. This is where a few strategically placed sparkly or jeweled hairpins change everything. Part your pixie to one side with a little pomade for sleekness, then pin 2 or 3 crystal or gold pins along the part or behind one ear. Suddenly your pixie goes from daytime to dinner. Add a bold lip and you're done. It's effortless and it's gorgeous. Look 3. Elevated and sophisticated. Take a silk scarf, a small one or a skinny one, and fold it lengthwise into a thin strip. Wrap it around your head like a headband, tie it at the side or the top, and let the ends hang or tuck them in. This look is polished, feminine, and works beautifully for brunch, events, or just a day when you want to feel a little extra. It also works brilliantly on days when your pixie isn't cooperating because the scarf takes all the attention. 3 looks, 1 haircut, no scissors, no salon, no extra time. Just the right accessories used the right way. Hack number 4, the face shape styling adjustment. Hack number 4 is the one that separates women who look good in their pixie from women who look absolutely incredible. And it all comes down to knowing how to adjust your styling based on your face shape. Because here's the truth. The same pixie, styled the same way, does not flatter every face shape equally. And nobody is teaching this inside a hacks video. If you have a round face, your goal is to create vertical height and reduce width. So you want all of your volume at the crown, lifted, not spread out to the sides. Keep your sides sleek and close to the head, and build all your body upward. A side-swept bang helps too, because it creates a diagonal line that visually elongates your face. If you have a square or angular face, you want to soften those strong jaw angles. Go for texture and movement at the sides and avoid anything too blunt or flat. Soft, wispy layers around the temples and forehead work beautifully here. A little piecey texture at the front softens everything. If you have an oval face, you are blessed, because almost every pixie variation flatters you. You can go sleek, you can go voluminous, you can go textured. The world is yours. Just avoid styles that are so flat they take away all dimension. If you have a longer or more narrow face, you actually want to add width, not height. So avoid extreme crown volume and instead build softness at the sides. A fringe or curtain bang is your best friend because it breaks the length of your face and creates horizontal balance. Once you know your face shape and you adjust your blow-dry direction, your product placement, and your part accordingly, your pixie goes from good to, where did you get your hair done? Every single time. Hack number 5, the grow out styling hack. And hack number 5 is the one that I know a huge portion of you have been waiting for, because this is the hack nobody talks about, and it's for every woman who is growing out her pixie cut and feeling like she's stuck in styling purgatory. Growing out a pixie is one of the most emotionally challenging hair journeys a woman can go through. I know, because I've been there, and I know you have too. There's that awkward stage where the back is too long, the sides are uneven, and nothing seems to sit right. And most videos just say, be patient. That's not good enough. Here is what you actually do at each stage. Stage 1, the early grow out, when your hair is just starting to get past the ears. This is when texture becomes your best friend. Apply a light texturizing paste through damp hair and let it air dry with some natural movement. Messy is intentional at this stage. Tousled is chic. Don't fight the unevenness, style into it. Stage 2, the middle stage, when the back starts getting longer and you're getting into that shaggy territory. This is where a little dry shampoo at the roots is going to save you daily. It absorbs oil, adds grip, and gives you enough texture to push the hair upward and forward, rather than letting it fall flat and stringy. Ask your stylist for a shape-up trim, not a cut that takes length, just a cleanup of the perimeter to keep everything intentional while it grows. Stage 3, the longer pixie stage, when you're approaching a pixie bob. Now you have enough length to use a small flat iron or a thin curling wand to create face-framing pieces at the front. Soft waves at the ends make the grow-out look completely deliberate and stylish, rather than accidental. The grow-out is not the enemy. The enemy is styling it like it's still short when it's not. Adjust with every stage, and the whole journey becomes something you can actually enjoy. And now, because you stayed, here is your bonus. This is the hack that I call the celebrity pixie secret, and it's the reason why women like Emma Stone, Keke Palmer, and Carrie Coon always look like their pixie cuts were styled by a professional, even when they're photographed off the red carpet. The secret is this: they always style for the back of the head, not just the front. Most women style their pixie facing the mirror, crown, sides, front, and then walk out the door. But the back of a pixie cut is what everyone else sees when you walk away. And if the nape and the back aren't as intentional as the front, the whole look loses its polish. Here's what to do. After you finish your front-facing styling, grab a hand mirror and check the back. Make sure the hair at the nape is lying clean and shaped. If there's any fuzz or wispiness you don't love, a tiny amount of lightweight pomade on your fingertip, smoothed along the nape, cleans it up instantly. Then give the crown one final lift with your fingers, pulling upward and slightly toward the back, and set it with one last mist of your flexible hold spray. That final 60-second check in the back mirror is what takes your pixie from "she styled her hair" to "she looks incredible." It sounds small, but it is everything. Okay, so let's recap what you're taking away from today. You've got the upside-down blow-dry for volume that actually lasts. You've got the 3-step product layering sequence that holds your style all day. You've got 3 completely different looks from accessories alone. You know how to adjust your styling for your face shape. You know how to navigate every stage of the grow-out without losing your mind. And you know the celebrity secret: always style the back. That is a full toolkit. And if you put even 3 of these into your routine starting tomorrow morning, I promise you your pixie is going to look like a completely different haircut. If you found this video helpful, please save it, because this is one you're going to want to come back to. Share it with a friend who just got a pixie and doesn't know where to start. And if you are not subscribed yet, you know what to do. Next week, I am bringing you the ultimate guide to choosing the best pixie cut variation for your specific face shape and hair texture, with real examples and real explanations, not just pretty pictures. You don't want to miss it. Until then, stay crowned, stay elegant, and I'll see you in the next one.